Yo, what's up, you guys? I forget what I was watching a couple of days ago, some TV show, and I heard this song, and I thought it was pretty dope, man. So, hopefully, you guys like it as much as I do. Just one song, quick demo. Uh, Check it out, man. Sounds pretty good.